Hello everyone, this is Diana from sweetysalado, and today I am back with a new video after being away for several years. And I also wanted to take this opportunity to thank all of those people who sent me so many beautiful messages telling me how much you appreciate my videos and how much you miss them. Thank you so much for all your kind messages. So in today's video, we're going to be making a really easy recipe, and that's how to make a delicious tres leches rice pudding, which is perfect to enjoy during the holidays. And remember that you can find the entire recipe with a complete list of all the ingredients and measurements at sweetysalado.com. The first step is to make the rice. So in a medium pot, we're going to add some water. We're also going to add a couple of cinnamon sticks. We're going to bring it to a boil on high heat, and we're going to let it simmer for a few minutes so that the water can absorb all that wonderful cinnamon flavor. Now we're going to add the rice. I usually add white long-grained rice, sometimes short-grained, but you can use whatever kind of rice that you want to use. We're going to let it boil again, then we're going to cover the pot, reduce the heat to low, and let it cook for about 20 minutes or until the water is completely gone and the rice is fully cooked. And then we're going to carefully remove the cinnamon sticks. Now if you want, you can put the rice in a bigger pot because now we're going to add the tres leches. The first milk we're going to add is whole milk. Now you can use whatever kind of milk that you want, but I love the flavor that whole milk gives to this recipe. After that, we're going to add evaporated milk, and if you can't find it, you can go ahead and add another cup of whole milk if you want. And the last milk we're going to add is sweetened condensed milk, and this is what's going to give it that really nice sweet flavor. And if you want to make it more interesting, you can also add some shredded coconut or even raisins. After that, we're going to let it boil again. We're going to reduce the heat to medium-low, and we're going to cook this until everything starts to thicken. Once you see that you have reached the consistency that you want in your rice pudding, you can go ahead and remove it from the heat and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Now this rice pudding can be served either warm or cold. I usually put it in the fridge for a few hours before serving, and that also helps thicken the consistency. And then I also add a little bit of cinnamon powder. That's your recipe for making a delicious tres leches rice pudding. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media. Also, remember that you can find the entire list of ingredients and measurements at sweetysalado.com.